Let's look at a cross-referencing rule for a business name. I'm sure you've probably seen business names that have the names of all of the owners in the business name. In this case, we're looking at one called Jarvis, Rasmussen, and Sheridan Antiques. What we want to do, first of all, is to correctly index and code this record. And it would be Jarvis slash Rasmussen and Sheridan Antiques. And then we're going to underline our key unit. We're going to number the subsequent units, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's a correctly coded primary record for Jarvis, Rasmussen, and Sheridan Antiques. But if somebody comes into our office and asks for Rasmussen Antiques, give me all the information on Rasmussen Antiques, we need to be able to go into our filing system and find what we're looking for, even if we're looking for something other than the official name. So here's where we would put a cross-reference. We want to be able to cross-reference, in this case, both Rasmussen and Sheridan. So let's do the first cross-reference. What we're going to do is make Rasmussen the key unit, and then Sheridan unit 2 and 3, Jarvis 4, Antiques 5. But remember, this is the cross-reference. We need to send people to the primary record, so we'll put our C in there, and then here's the correctly coded filing segment for the primary record of this company. So we're going to look for Rasmussen, and we'll find Rasmussen, but it's going to send us to Jarvis, Rasmussen, and Sheridan Antiques. Well, what about the third name here, Sheridan? Again, we want to make sure that if somebody asks us for information on Sheridan Antiques, we can find it. So what we're going to do is write a second cross-reference, and we're going to write it for Sheridan, Jarvis, and Rasmussen Antiques. We'll put our C in here, and we're going to send them again to the primary record where all of the information for this customer is stored. In this case, then, this is a compound name for a business, and we want to make sure that all of the names in the compound name can be found if someone comes looking for them. So we want to do a cross-reference for the second name, Rasmussen, and we want to do a cross-reference for the third name, Sheridan. Please notice that these are C cards. These are not See Also cards. These are C records. You would not use a See Also, you would use C.